I'm sure you've heard the news. Google's at it again with their latest AI marvel, VO2. Google DeepMind has just unveiled VO2, an AI model set to revolutionize video creation. Imagine generating 4K videos up to 2 minutes long with stunning clarity and realistic motion. That's VO2 for you, a serious contender to OpenAI's Sora. VO2 shines with improved physics and camera control, handling complex scenes with ease. Fluid dynamics, lighting effects, it's got it all covered. Plus, it can emulate specific animation styles like a pro. Currently, it's available through Google's experimental Video X tool, but plans are in place to integrate it widely via Vertex AI. But it's not all smooth sailing. DeepMind acknowledges challenges with character consistency and intricate details. And there's ongoing debate about the use of public data for training. To tackle potential misuse, watermarking and prompt-level filters are in place. So, what will you create with VO2? The future of video is here.